your sound today. Beats 24/7.com.
Back and straight up out the fucking party bag. This party drags, jumping blocks. The mind I craft, they cannot outlast it. I got no more skags, they bum enough, so dumb and cuffed. This shit we reach inside the bag to juggle stuff with such and such. So tucked inside our bed, so fuck. Running laps, this head so stuck. Numbing fast, not letting up. Shit's getting bad, ain't had enough. Can't say I'll last, but fuck, so what? Double up the blunt and cups with succubuses. Cuddle clutching, touching up with bumps. So runny is funny. I think I found my happy place. All the doctors that I talk to don't know what to say. I found my happy place. I think I found my happy place. All the problems I don't want have seemed to dissipate away. Such a different state I'm in these days, existing, getting so impatient, getting winded, blending mixes, sitting in it, switching shit, getting grim in between it to fill you in, like the way the bridge is built. Kill at will, don't feel your deal. You talk a lot but show no skill. I peel the skin back on these rap cats, count the lives to steal the soul, snatching cobra, black shadow watching over your shoulder. You can't see but know it's closer, floating over the holy quarter with quotes they could live, grow and go off of life. I think I found my happy place. All the doctors that I talk to don't know what to say. I found my happy place. I think I found my happy place. All the problems I don't want have seemed to dissipate away.
Upgrade your sound today.